house that I found, and I'm hungry like